Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the geography multiple choice questions for the competitive examinations of all SSC as well as central government jobs and Indian Railways. So let us see exactly what it has been given in the part 3. I request you guys to check playlist in part 2, that will be very useful for all competitive examinations. The natural seaport in eastern coast of India is Vishakhapatnam. We knew that Calcutta, Tuticorin, Madras, these are all in the sides of east only. But among all this, the natural seaport is Vizag. As you can see to the right side how exactly the Vizag, which looks the natural seaport. Now we have the first railway line in India was laid in 1853. It has been laid. So the train between the Bombay to Thane, that has been set up in the year 1853. Next we have, between which of the following stations does the Samjhota Express run? We knew that whatever the express concerning to the between Attari as well as Amritsar, which is located in India, that is Amritsar and Attari, these are the two places from where the Samjhota Express run. Next we have, which of the following are the main objectives of Farakka Barrage? The main intention behind the construction of the Farakka Barrage project, as we can see, it has been built in 1975, that is to protect and save Calcutta harbour from silting. Besides that, to improve the navigability of Hooghly, this is one thing which we have to remember, the main intention behind the Farakka Barrage. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. That can be very useful. If you want to join, you can join in the Telegram, that is Defense ICTA, for more videos. Here we have about 800 plus question papers for various examinations, that will be very useful. It has been segregated into various playlists. Next we have the Nhava Sheva is one of the India's major ports is in. We knew that the Nhava Sheva port, which is located in Maharashtra, that is in Mumbai, that is one of the major India's port. Which of the following ports has a free trade zone, that is Kandla? We knew that the port that is free trade zone is Kandla port, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. Rest all Cochin, that is in Kerala, Madras, Chennai, that is Tuticorin. You can directly go through whatever has been given. Next we have, which of the following states has the highest density of post office? That is, we can see the maximum post office will find in Kerala, and the maximum literacy rates also will find in Kerala. As you can see how exactly it has been given in it. Next we have, which of the following statements about Paradip port is true? That is one thing you have to remember. What are the Paradip port, which is located in Odisha? What exactly the true among all this? That is, it is specially designed for the export of iron. Obviously, whatever the Paradip port has been given, that is designed for the especially exporting of iron only. Next we have, it is located on the Orissa coast. Yes, it's also truth. It is located in the Orissa itself. It is the biggest seaport. No, it is not the biggest seaport. We knew that we have the various seaports which are of bigger size. That is, Mumbai harbour is the biggest one among all. Next we have, the area around the port is free trade zone. Negative, it is not the free trade zone. Next we have, Taj Express runs between. We knew that whatever the train, it runs between the places. The Taj Express, that runs between the New Delhi, Gwalior. This is one thing you have to remember. So New Delhi, Hyderabad is not the one. So whatever has been given, so you have to remember with the options. It can go from the Hazrat Nizamuddin to Gwalior, via Gwalior, again Jhansi, Bhopal, Nagpur. So these are the place we have to remember. It goes to the Vijayawada also, and at the end it ends to Ernakulam. What is Watergate? This is one thing you have to remember, guys. Scandal in which President Richard Nixon got entangled. This is known as Watergate. A scandal in which President Richard Nixon, his name is Richard Nixon, got entangled. That is what Watergate. Next we have, what is the name of the building which holds the principal US bullion depository? Fort Knox. Please remember, this is the principal US bullion depository, the name of the building that holds the principal US bullion depository. So you can see how exactly the Fort Knox looks like. One of the finest construction with the good security. Next we have, which country produces the maximum sugar in the world? We knew that Brazil is the one maximum sugar is produced. We knew that that is the reason the sugar bowl of the world has been called, previously it was Cuba, now it has been renamed to Brazil. What is the capital of Morocco? That is Rabat. Rabat is the one which is the capital of Morocco. Now you guys tell me, Muscat is the nation, so what is the capital of that? Next we have yurts, Y-U-R-T-S. Yurts are a tent of animal skins of the monadic tribes of Central Asia. We knew that previously they used to have these type of huts which is constructed with the help of the tent of animal skins. As you can see how exactly it has been covered with the animal skin, which gives the good protective measure from the rain as well as winds. One of the finest construction has been with the help of animal skin. This you will find monadic tribes of Central Asia yurts. Next we have Death Valley. We knew that Death Valley is located in which place? That is located in California in US. You will find this in California, that is in United States. Next we have, which of the following types of coal contains over 90% carbon and it smokeless? That is anthracite. Maximum 90% you will find the carbon and it is also smokeless, that is anthracite. Next we have Galileo satellites. Galileo satellites, Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. These are all the named after their discoverer, which has been discovered by the Galileo, and 4 large moons of the planet, that is Jupiter. We knew that for the Jupiter these are the moons which are identified by Galileo. Next we have, which is sometimes referred to as the land of white elephants. Thailand is known as the land of white elephants. Next we have Willy Willies. These are the tropical revolving storm in northwest Australian waters. You will find these type of, as you can see to the right side how exactly Willy Willies are tropical revolving storm which you will find in northwest Australian waters. Next we have the 90% loss from floods occurs in the North Plains. Please remember, whatever the 90% loss from the floods occurs in the northern plains only, because where there are perennial rivers which flows through them, that is the reason you will find the maximum floods over there. This is my mobile number, guys. You can directly call me if you want a PDF of 2100, that is GK and GS. Thank you, guys. If you have any queries, you can call me. Have a good day. Have a great life.